Hi, this video is for all of our monitors, both special needs and gen ed. There has been an update from the Human Resources Department regarding the job duties related to the monitor position. I'm just going to cover the changes that have taken place. So under the primary purpose here, it says ride buses and assist driver to provide safe and orderly transportation of students. In the past, it used to say of students with disabilities. But as you know, both Bonham and special needs monitors could come in contact with both gen ed and special needs students in their day-to-day activities. So we made that adjustment to more accurately reflect what the expectations are of a bus monitor here and what their primary purpose and duties are. Under education and certification, it now says valid Texas driver's license. That's a change that has taken place. Previously, you didn't need one. Now you do. If you're currently a bus monitor working for us and you don't have a valid Texas driver's license, please see me and I will help you out with that. My phone number is 512-393-6519. You can also just email me at ryan.hall@smcisd.net and I'll help you get through that, okay? The other change that has taken place is under major responsibilities and duties. Number one, assist in loading and unloading of students according to their individual needs. Once again, this used to say students with disabilities. Now it just says students for the purposes I already mentioned. The last change that has taken place is number 13. It states duties may include driving a district vehicle to include cars, suburban, for the purposes of student transportation and other operational duties. So this change is to the job description is basically just an update of what we're already doing as a department. As you may know, we have several monitors who on a regular basis drive a suburban to pick up students, both special needs and gen ed, and transport them to and from school. There's also emergency circumstances that come up where we send out monitors and Suburbans to pick up students that maybe missed the bus or for some other reason weren't able to catch the bus. We also expect our monitors to be able to drive Suburbans to make deliveries of, let's say, PPE to campuses or other things that could pop up. So these are changes that are really just updating what we're currently already doing. If you go all the way down to the bottom here, it says received by and date. All of these documents need to be signed by all of the monitors that work for us. If you're at the annex, Brianna is going to have a copy available for you. You can just sign it there and turn it into her. If you're at the west side, we're going to have a copy printed out and put into your driver's locker. Please print it or please sign your name, date it, and turn it into Moxie. Now, if for whatever reason you're reading through this and you have questions and you don't feel comfortable signing it, that's 100% okay. Feel free to speak to either David or myself, and we will answer any questions that you have. Thank you for your time. Thank you for what you do for our department. Thank you for what you do for our community, and I hope you have a great day.